The painting we're emulating today is Emerald Waters by Bob Ross, who just happens to be Courtney's favorite person. So instead of a, what is that called? Palette.
Yep.
We have the wrong side of a cutting board. Bob says to start by saturating the canvas with some sap green. So that's what we're gonna do.
I've added a thin, even coat all over the canvas of sap green.
Okay, that smells really bad.
Oh my god, it's almost like Tyler Perry.
What?
I'm talking to the cat, not you.
Oh god. I think I need a towel that's like not white.
Where would I get one of those?
I don't know. And then he put Van Dyke Brown on the corners. I don't have Van Dyke Brown. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I have burnt umber though, so that's okay. I also just got paint thinner like everywhere. That's also fine.
Then around the edges here on the four
So
corners,
we're
I
gonna
put
put that
just
on
a
the
little
corners.
touch of Van Dyke Brown, so the corners are a little darker.
It wasn't open. Actually, there's a little pull tab. I could have just done that. Where's the pull tab I had in the green one? This is bad. Okay, that's not that bad. Okay, that's fine. See, it's very small. Very small. My hands are not gonna look cute after this.
No. I mean, they already don't. Look at the brown that you have on your
Oh. I'm trying not to.
Did you just get it on the Rachel?
Okay.
This is the scary part.
Yeah,
It's
because
all
I actually
scary.
have to start painting. So he said just put it on the
Just
corner
take
of the
a
brush.
small amount,
He said
of
a
the
small
cad
amount.
yellow.
That's not a small amount.
Just a
Okay.
small amount. Don't need much
So
paint. And just put a little on the bristle.
I'm scared. Okay.
I'm scared for you.
You're not helping. Okay. Well,
And just barely touching the canvas, and just begin. All we're
That
doing
doesn't
here is
look
just
like
sort of
it's all-
rubbing.
That
Just
looks
rubbing.
great.
wait. How is his arm angled? Okay, he's
Just
just
barely
like.
touching the canvas, and just begin.
Oh, that's better.
All
Okay.
we're doing here is just sort of rubbing. Just rubbing. There. And just begin creating some basic little tree and bush shapes here. And we're just looking for very basic little shapes. Let the bristles sort of move and bend. And there. These are far away, and we're not looking for a lot of detail. And if they get
That looks better, right?
a little
I love
too
it.
bright, we can take the large brush and just rub them, and they'll go away.
Okay.
There.
This isn't too bad.
Just
Okay.
take your large brush, and one hair is air. You're just barely touching it, and just go
Oh,
over it,
okay.
Oh,
Let's check
wow.
that out.
just like so. Just barely
Oh, that's kind of
caressing.
fucking cool. So we're gonna start on some branches. I don't have a liner brush out here. I'll just use the palette knife, right? Okay, so this isn't really like a liner brush, but it kind of is. You feel?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. So it's not like long like his, but it'll kind of do the same thing. It's kind of thick, isn't it?
Hey, don't fuck it up.
It's too thick. I'm using the palette knife.
Here and there, just sort of look at it, and put in an indication of just a few little limbs and sticks and all kinds of happy little things that live out in here.
It's just like some random sticks, so it doesn't have to be like super.
So we've got
I'm
Van Dyke
scared.
Brown, dark sienna, a little salt. Pull it out very flat and cut across to get that little paint on there. Little paint will really pay you big dividends. Now then, just sort of look at your painting here and decide where there would be some land.
Would you rather be a waffle or a pancake?
Definitely pancake.
Or what other kind of breakfast foods?
Um,
Ooh, of all the breakfast foods?
that was lovely. I'd want to be hash browns.
Why?
I just love them so damn much.
I do like hash browns. That doesn't look right.
Well, he was scrubbing more than you were, so maybe just like drag it some more. Yeah, see, I think that looks
I'm
better.
getting it. I'm getting it.
Yeah. You could have made this into an ASMR video.
I just saw a painting ASMR video by Cup of Jasmine.
No idea who that is.
I don't know. She's a YouTuber I like. Because I like to watch painting videos and she's really good at art.
I
And,
know, I
like,
just feel like
She just like painted a picture and it was like ASMR and she was kind of half joking, but like it was so calming to watch.
I feel like the way you're like scratching the canvas can
Mhm.
give someone like whatever.
Tingles.
Yeah, sure.
He also didn't do like this much land.
This is your own little happy world.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Okay, next.
Where your reflections are going to be into the water.
Oh my god, Rachel, there's a spider on the
Pull
ceiling.
straight down.
Uh-huh.
Get a little of that brown into it.
Sorry.
I'm
Forgot
outie.
that- oh, honey. I forgot you hated spiders so bad.
It's very shallow.
No, what if it like crawls over and then like fucking falls on my head?
So I'll just take a little yellow on the brush. Now then, decide where your reflections are going to be into the water. Grab it and pull straight down.
Look at that spider and tell me he looks cute and cuddly and not like he's about to rip your face
No,
off.
but he's not very big. How does that look?
Looks like there's a spider on your ceiling.
Okay. Okay, see? This is going swimmingly.
Swimmingly.
Oh, very light. I'm going cross. Ooh, I'm afraid of that.
Come across. Okay, so on the other side,
Yeah.
get a little touch more of the reflections. And let's go right over here.
Wow,
Just drop those in.
Is it working?
Yes.
There we go.
It's
Pull
like
straight
shifting
down.
all the blue
Get
paint
the
on
reflections.
Okay.
Blue?
Be
Blue?
sure you
Definitely
pull
not blue.
straight
I know
down.
colors.
It's most important.
I love that Bob Ross is a drug dealer.
Does nice things to you.
Sorry,
We
what?
tell people sometimes
You just said.
we're like drug
He's like
dealers.
drug
We
dealer.
come into town and get people absolutely addicted to painting.
Yeah, I missed that.
He wants happy little bushes
Just bring
somewhere.
some happy
Where does he
little
want happy
bushes.
little bushes?
Just use
In
a
the
corner of
landmass.
brush.
Okay, so there needs to be like a
Bring some
landmass
little
that like
bushes and
sticks
lay
out
right
kind
out
of.
here.
Like over here.
Here's one.
It needs to like stick out more so I can put some happy little bushes on it. Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay, this is the leaf that I'm talking about.
Maybe there's a little island floats out here. So first we'll just put in a little bit of dirt.
You want to talk about some shit where you're gonna have to bleep out a bunch of things?
Oh god.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does Bob want me to put trees right
I
here?
want you to live your life.
Yeah, let's get crazy. What the heck? You have to have some fun. Just take your knife and maybe there's some land that lives right here.
I could see us just sitting somewhere to see Boulder campus. And you just painting some Bob Ross.
Love to do that. Do you think that's enough land?
You gotta add tons of bushes and shit.
Okay. I'll just do that first.
There lives a nice, happy little
I
bush.
mean, that's what Bob did, right?
Yeah.
Just a corner of the pan.
After watching the video
Just
once.
scrub it.
You seem to know the video better than me, and I've seen it like
Play. And he's got little
Because I just watched it recently.
I was right next to you.
Wherever there's another one.
I'm just not as intelligent. Honestly, the only reason I'm in honors like English is because I know how to like bullshit and be like, I know how to use my words.
These big words make it sound like that man said.
Exactly.
That would be my sentence.
But you gotta use big words to say that.
Oh, okay, shit. The author's writing style. Fuck. Screw me up. Suggests the character's mood is
seldom happy.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so great. Honors kid. It's mostly like, I just want a rejection letter from Stanford.
I'd be down with getting a rejection letter from Stanford. Okay, that doesn't look as great, but I don't want to fuck it up more, so we're gonna leave it like that, yeah? Okay, it's time for a big treat. I'm terrified.
Maybe
I believe
on
you.
this little island here lives a happy tree. Sure
Wow.
does now. There he
I'm
is.
scared.
No, it's going
Just put his
great.
trunk in.
And then it needs a friend.
Give him a little friend. There we go. Don't want him to get lonely.
Okay,
Lovely.
okay, that's okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah? Okay.
Are you gonna add branches now?
Yeah, I gotta, but I don't have a liner brush, so this is gonna be more difficult.
I love the island. Everything about it's really good.
That just made me feel so much better. Hope you know.
You should feel great about your happy little world.
I'm trying.
Honestly, just like feel better. It's just that easy.
Yeah! Mental health advice, you guys. Stop feeling bad.
That stupid BS about like, just love your depression and suddenly it'll go away.
How do you
What?
love your depression? What
You
does
just
that
like
even mean?
love it and like love everything about yourself and suddenly it just like makes you not depressed. What if I'm fucking not depressed about like myself?
What if you're just depressed about the world?
What if you're depressed about family? Like what if you're depressed about a lot of shit? Self-love doesn't fix everything.
Agreed. Wow, this just got fucking depressing. Oh my god, that's literally the smallest fucking spider.
That fucking bitch ass.
I'll just pop inside. Okay. I found Oreos. Do you want an Oreo? I would love an Oreo.
Where did the spider go?
You walked off.
ASMR. Wow, looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's too thick, but we're doing the best that we can.
No, you're just gonna have some bold trees.
So we're just gonna...
Let's just take gentle touch. If you've painted with me before and put snow on the mountains, this is the same thing. Just sort of let it break and follow that old tree right on down.
Also, apparently one of her Air Force friends, when she worked in North Dakota, is gonna be in town this week.
Oh, cool.
So they're gonna like catch up.
Maybe my parents know.
Maybe. Yeah, because your dad worked it. Well,
Yeah,
she's from
why not?
Minot. Okay, never mind.
What's Bob's next instruction? I wish I had like a darker brown to like
Leaves?
put over here. Leaves. Good idea.
That's just me trying to remember the video. I
Yeah,
don't actually
you're
know
probably
what's his
correct.
next instruction. Bob's next instruction, if he was here, would just be
Follow
do
your
what
heart.
makes you happy. That was definitely a wasp.
I hate wasps. Will you watch out to make sure it doesn't come over me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because if I start running, you know it.
Big old tree that really looks gnarly. Hope that's a word. Gnarly. You know what I mean. Gnarly. That's a good sounding word.
Bob
though.
Ross definitely invented the word gnarly. That's completely obvious. He didn't even realize it was a word. He was like, yeah, that has a good sound to it. It's probably somebody who's watching that. And they were like, that does have a good sound to it. And then they were like, gnarly. Gnarly, man. Gnarly. And then the 80s happened.
Yeah. Decide where this son of a gun is.
Wow, a crazy
Let's just
idea.
throw on
That,
some quick
like,
little,
went well.
see?
Yeah.
Just some little indications here and there.
I'm really proud
All
of you.
kinds of
Oh.
did that.
I'm gonna put white on
Around
this
here.
too. I like
Oh, that was an awful sound.
that. ASMR.
And you were so nervous before you wanted to throw up. We were sitting at the table and you were like, oh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
That was because of the Thai food.
Oh, I thought it was just because you were nervous.
Well, shit.
You gonna get some close-up good shots?
I guess. I don't know. I'm afraid to touch it. Cinematography whom?
Oh no, you have to fucking sign it! Aesthetic B-roll.
Ew! Oh my god, it's so thick. Ew. Okay.
So until next time, from all of us here, happy painting and God bless.